Welcome to Uni French. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of the French alphabet. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our language learning content. Now, let's get started. Let's go through the French alphabet together. Repeat after me.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Great job! Learning the alphabet is a fundamental step in any language journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more language lessons on Uni French.